Hi, today I'm going to replace my old mechanical HDD drive with an SSD in my HP laptop. So I have purchased this SATA SSD from Amazon, which is of 480 GB capacity. So I read all the reviews on Amazon and found that this one has very good reviews. So this is WD Green, and this is the SATA type SSD, and there are other 2 to 3 types of SSDs available in the market. So from which I chose to take SATA port drive because there is no dedicated port for any other type of SSD in my laptop, as it is over 5 years old now. So I have decided to replace the HDD and take up that space to install the new SSD. So what I bought along with that is an HDD enclosure with which I can convert my old HDD to a portable hard drive. So in this process, I'm changing the HDD to SSD, and I'm also getting a portable hard drive. So this one also I bought from Amazon after seeing a lot of customer reviews, and I found customer reviews good for this particular product, and this should be good. So I first have to to take off the CD drive from the panel so that I can take off the back panel, and I have already unscrewed all the screws, and this is how inside of my laptop looks like. And for every single laptop there will be some arrangements done for the HDD to fit inside the space. So in this case, for this HP laptop, it's a bracket, it's a pair of metal brackets, and in some of the laptops I've seen it will be a kind of casing in which this HDD will be placed so that it will fit right in that place. So here we have two aluminum brackets where with which the hard drive sits in the place. So first we'll have to take off the complete unit along with that bracket, and then we'll have to take off the bracket from the hard drive, because this same brackets need to be used on the new SSD which we got. So here I'm removing the SATA cable from the hard drive. So it's just very easy, just you have to pull it and it will come off the hard disk. So this is the same cable which we will be plugging in to the SSD which we had bought, and the metal brackets should fit right into the SSD, because it should have the grooves to screw in the exact places where the bracket has those holes, because this is kind of universal to all internal SSDs or HDDs, and it will work every time. So let's fit the brackets back into place to the SSD. It just fits right, just like how it was there on the hard drive before, the HDD before. Now it's time to fasten the cable to connect it to the circuit, and it just clicks into place. There is nothing difficult to do here. So it was just easy to unplug, and it's just easy to plug it back in. So it just clicked in, and now I just have to fasten the screws. So we have installed the SSD onto the laptop. Now let's discuss about what we can do with the HDD which we got from the laptop. So I am going to install this into this HDD enclosure and use it as a portable hard drive. So I just will check how to do this. I'll have to slide the back panel of this enclosure just like this, and you can see the blank or the space where we can just fit the HDD right in. So it's all compatible with all the kind of internal hard drives, because all the internal hard drives come in 2.5-inch casing or 2.5-inch dimensions. So everything should be fitting in well. There should be no issues on that. Anyways, I've got this sponge which has some adhesive on it, with which I can make sure that the internal hard drive absolutely will not move inside when I take it here and there. Finally, I have got an external portable hard drive, just because I replaced my hard drive in my laptop with an SSD. So I've got a laptop with better performance, and I've got a portable hard drive which I can use on my phone or on my laptop as well. Thank you.